Let's go. We just got a letter. We unboxing it. We unboxing it. Let's go. There's some open. We got a package. Let's open this bad boy up.
Stereotypes they've been working on in there.
Alright, let's see what's in here. I'm acting like I don't know. Let's go. They sent your boy a cape.
Like Israel, like I know your name. I don't. Yeah, and me and Stevie look exactly alike. So.
We got the new Gamma Evo, the X Evo.
Chair.
Then we got the Gamma X Ergo. Let's open these things up.
Tell him who he is.
This our new barber. Is it Blair or Blaine?
Blaine the barber.
It's Blaine the barber. He's got.
He's only here because his wife has got a birthday.
Hey Joe, why's he got a hole in his mouth though?
The last barber that was here, I think put that there, man. It was like multi-purpose dog.
Okay, so he said the last barber left him here. All right, well that's not what y'all here for this video for. All right, so we got the Gamma X Evo, and then we got the Gamma X Ergo. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy first. Let's go. Let's get a closer look at this. So here's the clipper. Feels a little thinner than the other Ergos.
Stay off of the chair.
Pop that off. Alright, let's put that to the side. Then we got the other lids that it comes with.
Oh, leave the sides like that. Hey, leave it back. Hey, leave it back like a fucking mother, bro. Hey, yeah.
Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, leave it back, bro. Straight it up, leave it back.
Alright, well, we got the other lids. I can't pop them out right now. Then we got the stand. We got the dubs.
He had a mullet this whole time.
I've been seeing people use them.
He's tired of all
Just the back of it, dude. It's like, hey, that's the curious. Look at it. That's perfect.
We got
He did all
the charging cord.
That is electric.
I have to see how good these clippers
We got the different coverings for it.
That would have been a fucking game changer, bro.
I want to see how good they
And then here we got some extra levers.
crazy. They're cutting through this hair for this.
And then in here we even have, I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Ah, there it goes. We got the stretch bracket. So the stretch bracket, so what the stretch bracket does is, I'm like all in the camera, so what the stretch bracket does is, it actually makes this open up to like a full one, instead of I guess like a half. So I probably ain't gonna put it on there, but we're gonna see. So just taking this clipper out the box, I already see it's got a different blade on it, kind of excited to use it. Gotta charge it up though, but that's basically it for what's in here. You know, we got, and then we got this and the pamphlet, but y'all know how I feel about those. We got a screwdriver. Let's move this stuff over. All right, so we got the clipper. We got the extra lids. We got the extra lids. We got the rose gold and the gold. And then, you know, it comes with the silver case. We got the different face plates for this part right here. We got the stretch bracket, some extra levers, some screws, some oil. And then we got the guards, the double magnetics, the charging stand, and then obviously the cord. So that's it for the X Ergos. I'm gonna charge them up. I'm putting them to use today. Now we're gonna unbox the X Evos. Alright. So here's the Gamma X Evos.
There's Corona, Bang, Monster Energy.
Let's open these up.
Gang, Hot Cocoa Melon.
So here is the trimmer.
Don't tell me you're gonna drink that.
See if I can get out of here. Alright.
And you went cuckoo.
No, I didn't go cuckoo, but dude, I could.
It looks nice. It looks nice.
Real cool.
You.
That's it right there. That's the trimmer. About the same size as the other one. And then as y'all can see, it comes with the rose gold lid, the all gold lid. We got the charging stand right here.
I don't know why he does this. Don't do this, baby.
Let's see what else they got.
My son's coach. He's out there
And then we got the different face plates. So basically here, let me take this out. Alright, so we got the different, so like I said, we got this black face plate. You can put that right here. You can switch that out. And then we got a silver one also in there. And that's for that. And then we got these parts right here. These go right here. I kind of like the black on it though. I might just leave it like that. But then we got pamphlet, chunk that to the side. We got different blades in here. What we got here? We actually got some guards with the trimmer, some oil, charging stand, the USB, and then screwdriver. We got the Ultimate 2.0 blade. You don't put these things to work too, man. Let's go. And that's it, basically, for what's in these boxes. You got the trimmer. We got the charging cable. An extra blade. We didn't get a ceramic blade with this one, but we got an extra blade on it. That's just the standard blade that, you know, the absolute hitters come with. We got some guards, extra screws, oil, the different face plates, the lids, and the stand. So we're gonna charge these things up, and then we're gonna put them to use. Let's go. And boy, Joe putting in work.
You got some birds on your ear.
Yeah? You want it in your mouth?
Oh, it's man.
Yeah, I got a problem.
Afterwards, she's like, hey, well, the food's good. What she ate, she loved it.
Yeah, hey, fun. Haley loves her food.
Alright guys, 9:54, just finished my last haircut. I was gonna record me giving y'all my initial thoughts on the clipper and the trimmer, but I forgot. I walked out, got in the car, and I was like, oh, you know what? I gotta finish this video. So I'm gonna give y'all my initial thoughts here. Alright, so off the jump, I'm gonna let y'all know I think the clipper is a good clipper, and I think the trimmer is a good trimmer. However, like when I unboxed them, or not when I unboxed them, but when I started to use them straight out the box, I'm not gonna lie, me personally, I ain't like the way they was cutting. Like the trimmer wasn't hitting, it wasn't balding as short as I liked it. And same thing with the clippers, it wasn't cutting as short. It was cutting good, it just wasn't cutting as short as I would have liked. So out the box, I didn't feel like they did too good. However, I moved the blade up on both the trimmer and the clipper. I moved the blade up on both of them, and they worked good after that. Like I was rocking with them the rest of the day when I moved that blade up on both of them. Like I said, like the trimmer, it's like I said, it wasn't hitting on the lineup, and it just wasn't balding out. Well, it was balding out good, but it just wasn't getting it as short as I wanted it. But once I zero gapped it, and I didn't even really truly zero gap it, there's still a little bit of room. I technically can go and zero gap it a little more, which I might do, but zero gapped, quotation marks, zero gap, you know, gap closer, it works better, and I'm really liking it. And same thing with the clipper, you know, I gapped it a little closer. I didn't zero gap it 100%, but I moved the blade, you know, I moved the blade up or back, whatever you want to call it, and it's cutting better for me. Like I really like the way it's working now, and honestly, like straight off the bat, I feel that it cuts better than the old Ergos. Like going over the top is super smooth, you know. I don't know, I feel like even with those guards, that it feeds the hair into the clipper better. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but I just feel using those guards with the clipper, it feeds the hair into the clipper really well. One thing I will say about the guards though is some of them are bent, and I just guess I'm guessing that may be from just lack of like them putting it in the box properly or just throwing them around or whatever. But some of the guards are bent, but they still work pretty good. They don't feel, I don't want to say they feel cheap, but they don't feel like super top-notch quality plastic. And the same thing with the magnets, man. Like they are double magnetic, but for some reason I just don't feel that they're as strong as like the Anna's purple guards. But they work good. I did all my haircuts with those guards, and I feel that I was getting, you know, it wasn't too hard for me to learn how to use them. You know what I'm saying? For the most part, I do a lot of graduation, so it's the same steps for me regardless on what clipper I use. You know what I'm saying? And I feel that it worked good. I like the way most of the cuts were coming out. I like the way the clipper worked. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, as far as battery time, I don't even know, because I kept putting them back on the stands, but they were working good. They didn't take too long to charge. I want to say it took about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to charge, and I was working with them. Y'all know that I'm gonna give y'all a good full in detail, long, you know, full length review on them coming up in the next week or so. Y'all know I like to use my tools for a good amount of time, and I will be giving y'all a review on both of these products, the trimmer and the clipper, and it will be 2 separate videos, so y'all stay tuned for that. And that's just basically it for this video, guys. I hope y'all like this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe one time for your boy. Other than that, guys, that's basically it, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. It means a lot to me, guys. Make sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below if you have any questions about the clipper or the trimmer, or any questions just in general. Y'all get active in that comment section, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, guys, I'm out of here. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, YouTube, let's go.